The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. Jesus said to his disciples, I warn you, do not be concerned for your life, what you are to eat, or for your body, what you are to wear. Life is more important than food, and the body more than clothing. Consider the ravens. They do not sow, they do not reap, they have neither cellar nor barn, yet God feeds them. How much more important you are than the birds? Which of you, by worrying, can add a moment to his lifespan? If the smallest things are beyond your power, why be anxious about the rest? Or take the lilies. They do not spin, they do not weave. But I tell you, Solomon in all his splendor was not arrayed like any one of them. If God clothes in much splendor the grass of the field, which grows today and is thrown on the fire tomorrow, how much more will He provide for you, O weak in faith? It is not for you to be in search of what you are to eat or drink. Stop worrying. The unbelievers of this world are always running after these things. Your Father knows that you need such things. Seek out instead His kingship over you, and the rest will follow in turn. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Seek out instead His kingship over you, and the rest will follow in turn. Diyos maray na aga sa Indo Gabos. Good morning po. At alam nyo, today we celebrate the feast of Saint Felix of Cantalice. No? And bakit po piyesta? Why we celebrate it as a feast? Because Saint Felix is patron of our religious brothers. Siguro ito yung mga medyo hindi masyadong napapansin, no? Even now, may mga namimit ako, minsan tertiary pa nga, no? Sabihin, pari ba yun? Sino ba yun? Bakit hindi siya nagmimisa? Nakahabit naman siya. See? Because, sad to say, there's also a wide range of ignorance today, no? Akala ng iba kapag nakahabit ay pari na yan. Hindi po. They are also called religious brothers, no? Who are not priests, but they are very important, and they are sabi nga holy. Minsan mas mahuli pa nga sila kaysa sa mga padi, no? And you know, isa sa mga proud, no, o sabihin na natin Franciscan pride, no, ay yung Franciscan order, if I'm not mistaken, ang pinakamaraming santo na mga lay brothers. Alam niyo ba yan? No? Sa dami ng religious order, tanging ang mga Franciscan ang may mas maraming religious brother na santo, martyr and confessors, no? Kasi minsan yung iba, no, may mga saints sila pero mostly mga martyrs, no? Tulad ng Jesuits, Salesians, no? But Franciscan order, no, they have many saintly lay brothers, no, who are both martyrs and also confessors. No? Kaya nga alam niyo po, no? It is really the spirit of Saint Francis, no? That is flowing to all its seraphic saint. No? And really, I am proud to be a Franciscan, no? Proud to be part of the seraphic order. And balik tayo kay Saint Felix of Cantalice. No? Bakit ba siya naging ganun na lang yung kanyang holiness? No? At alam nyo, no? Si Saint Felix of Cantalice ay kaibigan ng dalawang santo. No? He's a friend of other two saints like him. Sino? Tamo, yung iba nakalimutan na. Si Saint Philip Neri at si Saint Charles Borromeo. No? Saint Felix of Cantalice is a good friend of Saint Philip Neri. No? Especially when he started to beg in the street of Rome. No? And then, he became friend of Saint Charles Borromeo, no? In revising, some of his rules for his order. No? And alam nyo, sabi nga, Saint Felix, tamang-tama nga yung kanyang pangalan, Felix o Felice. Ibig sabihin, happy. No? The word or the name term Felix or Felice means happy. And he is really a happy friar. He is a happy friar. He was able to combine two important elements of the Franciscan order. And what is that? Simplicity and Franciscan joy. Simplicity and Franciscan joy. He's very simple because he is very, very humble. Alam niyo, magkapatid po yan eh. You cannot be simple if you are not humble. No? At alam niyo, isa sa mga paborito kong scene, o paboritong episode sa buhay ni Saint Felix of Cantalice ay yung nasa Rome siya. One time, nag-beg siya, ang dami niyang dala. Katulad ni Philip, ang daming dala ng mga nabeg. And then, may isang part doon sa Rome, nagdagsaan ng tao. Siguro may misa, hindi siya makatawid kasi nga sa dami ng tao doon sa kalsada. Alam niyo ginawa ni Saint Felix para makadaan siya dahil napakabigat ng sako niya eh. So anong sabi niya? Sumigaw siya. Anong sabi ni Saint Felix? Paraanin niyo yung asino ng kumbento. Sa Tagalog, sa English, let the donkey of the convent pass. So nagtangihan naman, asan yung nagtinginan yung mga tao, asan yung donkey, asan yung asino? Nakatawid siya. Pagkatawid niya, sabi niya, ako yung asino, ako yung donkey ng kumbento. He considered himself least among his brother. And alam nyo, si Saint Felix of Cantalice, he was able to catechize the children by using songs, canticles. Kita niyo yan? Si Saint Felix, nagagawa niyang i-catechize yung mga bata sa pamamagitan ng kanta. He makes canticles, simple canticles, which is a catechism for those little children. Kaya nga yung mga bata, tuwang-tuwa sa kanya. Hindi lang dahil nagbibigay siya ng tinapay or bigas, hindi. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata sa kanya kasi tinuturuan niya sila ng katekismo sa very simple way. Very simple way. Alam niyo, Holiness is not grumpy, and holiness is not, no, yung tawag ito, iwas sa mga tao. No? That's not true. I become holy because kailangan lumayo ako sa tao. No? May mga akala nila, may mga ibang tao, akala nila holiness is magtago ka sa kumbento, no? Lumayo ka sa mga tao, maging iwas ka. Hindi po yun. No? Holiness means seeing God in other people and being convinced of the joy of your vocation. No? Masaya ka sa pagiging friar mo. Hindi yung masaya ka lang kapag nakukuha mo yung gusto mo. Hindi. Holiness is simplicity. No? At alam nyo, no? Kaya nga kapag may nakita kayong so-called santo, pero sabi nga, nakasimangot ka na lang palagi. No? Pag nakasimangot yan, hindi yan holiness. No? That's not true. And sabi ko nga, no? Yung favorite quotation ko ni Saint Teresa of Avila. Alam niyo yung sabi ni Saint Teresa of Avila? Sabi niya, Lord, from sour-faced saint, deliver us. O sabi niya, deliver us, Lord, from sour-faced saint. No? Ano ibig sabihin? No? Sabi ni Saint Teresa, Panginoon, ilayo niyo po kami sa mga santong mukhang dato puti. Mukhang dato puti. Yung mukhasim. No? Ilayo niyo po kami sa mga ganyan santo. No? Sabi ni Saint Teresa. No? Because holiness can never be boring. Boring. Holiness is not boring. Holiness is not depression. No. Holiness is joy in one's heart. At ipinakita yun ni Saint Felix. Kita nyo? Nagkaroon siya ng dalawang santong kaibigan because he is very amiable. He's very open to the people. No? Sino mang pumunta sa kanya, he welcomed it. At anong sikreto ni Saint Felix of Cantalice? His love for Jesus. No? Kailangan kasi balance yun. No? And this is what is the advice of Saint Felix to me and to all of you. We should balance our love with God with our love to others. No? Kapag wala tayong relationship kay God, no? Mahihirapan tayong magkaroon ng tamang relationship sa ating kapwa. No? Hindi tayo magiging tunay na masaya. No? Si Saint Felix, no? Bakit niya nagawang maging masaya? Why he is approachable? Bakit siya na-approach ng mga tao, kahit mga bata, no? Kasi mas pinapahalagahan niya yung sasabihin ni Lord. Mas binibigyan niya ng oras yung kanyang pakikipag-usap kay Lord. No? Kaya nga, nagbibig siya sa umaga. No? Si Saint Felix of Cantalice, nagbibig siya sa umaga. Pero sa gabi, no? Nandun siya sa chapel. No? Nagdadasal. No? Nananalangin. Sabi pa sa Bicol, namimibi kita, no? Nangangadji. No? And that is what we should really do. No? Franciscan joy and simplicity. Itong kailangan natin ngayon sa mundo. No? Kasi no, ang nakapagtaka nga sabi nga, nakapagtataka. No? Bakit? Nakapagtataka kasi ngayon na meron tayong mga technologies, meron tayong cellphone, meron tayong internet, but our life is complicated. Complicate yung life natin. Tingin sa ganito, tingin ako sa ganyan, hanap ako sa ganito, hanap ako sa ganyan. We complicate. Pero tingnan mo si Saint Felix of Cantalice. Dati wala pang cellphone, but he lived a simple life. It's very simple. Alam niya kung ano yung necessary, essentials, at alam niya yung mga hindi naman essential or necessary sa buhay. Kaya nga, let us ask our Blessed Mother, Saint Joseph, and Saint Felix of Cantalice, that we may able to have these two very Franciscan virtue, yung simplicity and yung Franciscan joy. Wag po tayong sabi nga ni Saint Teresa of Avila, which we must not be sour-faced saint, no. Wag tayong maging dato puti ng mga mga Katoliko, mga Kristiyano, no. Let us be amiable, let us be simple, so that we may be able to attract others to the gospel of Christ. Praise be Jesus and Mary.